experiment, we need glass, water, a bowl, a glass, and a paper. First, putting in the paper, putting the paper in the glass, and putting in the glass. Now, put the glass in the water. Now take out. Now see. See friends, paper is dry because glass has already air. There is not space for water. Now we can see air occupies more space. Bye friends.